I'll be starting my dough for baguette, which I got actually from TikTok. Okay. I guess I'll put the whole thing in. We stir a little bit. One. Yeah. The trick is I have to proof it at least 90 minutes. So I'm heating up some water in the microwave. I covered my dough. And I'm going to put it in the microwave. We're starting with a little flour here. I'm getting the dough. Look at this. Is this beautiful? Get it out. And then it's very sticky. I'm going to cut it in 2 pieces. Ich habe hier mein Ding. I have to twist it. I'm gonna have to show this to you. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, let's take. I'm just gonna break a little bit piece off here. Fantastic.